This is how my front yard bed is looking. We can sit up on the porch and look off at it. I got some pretty hollyhocks coming up, and right there is 4 o'clock coming up, 2 of them, and I don't know what color, I don't remember the color they are, but I was thinking about getting more 4 o'clocks in here eventually. I like sitting here looking at the trees. Some people wouldn't plant trees so close to their house, but in the desert it really helps cool your house. Trees don't go that fast anyway in the desert, so I always like them closer. And I want to show you something. This is a little mulberry tree. Now I got 2 of them out here. This is what I want to show you. My bird of paradise is all bloomed out, and bees and hummingbirds come to it. And I started with 6 seeds. I was hiking way out there and found a little bush with seeds, and I took it, and 6 of them took and grew up, and now I just got gobs of bird paradise. And I do like them. They're real drought resistant. They do like water, and they get bigger like this, but I don't water it. It lives around the house. Just a very pretty plant. I got all this, and then out you go through the driveway on both sides of the driveway. Going down on the other side, I got a bunch of it. I sure do like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.